You buy feed, you haul it, you watch scraps rot in a cold pile while your birds still need protein. 6 hens eat about 1.5 pounds a day. In spring and summer, you could be replacing 0.8 to 1.1 pounds of that with free larvae. Most people never see it. Here's the core problem in one sentence. Most composters seal waste in cold, slow piles, missing spring's free black soldier fly feed for chickens. The problem isn't you, it's the system you were taught. You were told to hide scraps, keep smells in, and wait months. That buries energy your chickens could eat this week. The fix is a simple system built for black soldier flies, chickens, and heat. It uses biology and timing, not force.
Let's teach it step by step in the exact order that makes it work. 1. Feedstream. You run one steady stream of material, mix browns and greens uniformly, then separate the wettest scraps and manure for larvae. Why this works? Microbes and larvae both want consistency. Microbes need a balanced carbon to nitrogen mix to stay hot and fast. Larvae want the wet, smelly stuff because it's packed with nitrogen and sugars. When you mix everything together randomly, you get dead zones. When you separate, you maximize conversion speed. The browns, shredded leaves, cardboard give structure and air. The wet greens and manure go where larvae can hammer them. Faster digestion, less stink. 2. Bin design. Stop relying on a sealed tumbler or a deep closed pile for everything. Keep that for general compost. Add a vented black soldier fly bin with ramps and a drain so it attracts and self-harvests larvae. Why this works? Adult black soldier flies lay eggs in crevices near moist food. They don't lay into wet goo, they lay adjacent. A vented bin with airflow and dry ledges tells them safe nursery. The ramps give large larvae a way out when they're ready to pupate. They crawl up, drop into a harvest cup, and your chickens collect them with you. The drain keeps the bed from going anaerobic. No swamp, no foul odor. A sealed tumbler stays cooler and oxygen poor. A BSF bin runs warm, aerated, and edible at the right time. Moisture carbon. Don't make a soupy, uncovered slop. Keep the mass at wring-sponge moisture with a 2-inch shredded leaf cap. Odorless, fly-safe, fast. Why this works? Larvae breathe through their skin. They drown in soup and slow down when oxygen drops. Wring-sponge moisture keeps oxygen in the bed. The leaf cap acts like a biofilter. It wicks surface moisture, blocks houseflies, and feeds the microbes that neutralize odor. You still get speed, but without neighbor issues. No cap invites blowflies and smell. A cap keeps it soldier fly dominant. 4. Placement. Don't put it in full sun far from the coop. Put it shaded near the run with a harvest cup. Cool, convenient feeding.
Why this works? Soldier fly larvae generate heat. Full sun cooks them. Shade keeps them in their comfort zone, so they keep eating instead of dying or crawling out. Near the run means you and your birds don't waste steps. Ramps that drop into a cup let you present fresh larvae without digging. Less handling, more routine. Your flock gets consistent protein. You get a clean workflow. 5. Season timing. Don't treat the year the same. Ramp up from spring through fall. Switch to deep litter in winter. Match the BSF life cycle.
Why this works? In zones từ 7 đến 10, black soldier flies run reliably April through October. Activity slows when nights are below about 60 degrees Fahrenheit. In peak season, the bin is your protein machine. In winter, you build carbon-rich, dry, deep litter in the coop to capture manure value without chasing flies that aren't active. When spring warms, that saved litter and new kitchen scraps jumpstart the bin. Same inputs, different routing, matched to biology. That's the system. Here's why it pays in real numbers.
6 hens eat about 1.5 pounds of feed a day. In peak season, larvae can replace roughly 0.8 to 1.1 pounds of that. That's about a 70% cut in purchased feed during the months that matter. A 2 by 3 foot BSF bin processing 8 to 12 pounds of scraps a day yields 1 to 2 pounds of fresh larvae a day. As fed, larvae run around 18% protein and 12% fat. That's the right energy density to keep layers at weight and laying through heat when conventional birds often drop off. In zones 7 to 10, you can count on April to October. Below consistent 60-degree Fahrenheit nights, activity slows. Colder zones still get a shorter run. Hotter zones need more afternoon shade and a bit more drain. You can DIY the bin for under $50 with a bucket or tote, screen for ventilation, simple wood or plastic ramps, a drain pan, and shade cloth. Nothing fancy. It's biology doing the heavy lifting. Now the loop that keeps it rolling. Kitchen scraps become larvae. Chickens eat larvae. Chickens poop. Manure and bedding feed the bin.
Faster digestion reduces stink. Neighbors tolerate more scraps. A bigger input stream boosts larval output.
Compost enriches beds. Garden yields trimmings. Those trimmings keep the colony thriving each spring. That's self-reinforcing. Every week you don't manage it like a trash problem, you build a protein engine. Let me make the biology plain. Black soldier fly adults don't eat. Their whole job is to find safe, moist food, lay eggs nearby, and disappear. They're attracted to the scent of decomposing matter, but avoid the liquid surface. Your vented bin gives them air, crevices, and just enough smell under a carbon cap. The eggs hatch into larvae that are all mouth. They shred soft material and manure, concentrate nutrients, and heat the bed. When they're done, they've reduced volume and odors while leaving behind a crumbly residue that finishes fast into compost.
The drain keeps leachate from drowning the biology. The ramps exploit the larval instinct to climb and leave when they're ready to pupate. That's free labor. You don't sift, you don't chase, you just collect. Moisture and carbon are your throttle. Too wet and open, you breed houseflies and smells. Too dry and closed, you stall. Wring-sponge and a 2-inch shredded leaf cap keep it in the lane. Oxygenated, odor light, soldier fly dominant. Placement is your safety valve. Shade and airflow prevent heat spikes. Near the run saves you time. The cup makes feeding a one-handed job.
Timing is your profit. You ride the months when larvae are free and abundant. Then you stop fighting winter and let deep litter bank manure value until warmth returns. If you've tried composting and got slime, smells, and raccoons, hear me. The problem isn't you, it's the system you were taught. You were told to hide the energy your birds need and wait for months. This is shorter, cleaner, and it pays you back daily.
Quick regional notes, so you don't overthink it. Zones từ 7 đến 10. Expect reliable flow from April to October. Below about 60 degrees Fahrenheit at night, production slows. Plan your feed savings for the warm months. Colder zones, you'll get a shorter window. Use deeper caps, more sun in spring, and lean on deep litter sooner in fall. Hotter, low desert spots. Shade hotter, add airflow, and keep that drain clear. The larvae make their own heat. Ready to start this week? Keep it simple. Pick the spot, shaded, breezy, and near the run so you can tip a harvest cup straight to the birds. Build the bin for under $50, a sturdy bucket or tote, ventilation screen near the top, simple ramps into a small collection cup, a drain hole and pan, and shade cloth over the lid for airflow. Set the bed, a few inches of shredded leaves as the base. Aim for wring-sponge moisture. Start the feed stream. Mix your browns and greens uniformly for the general compost. Separate the wet scraps and fresh manure into the BSF bin. Cap every feeding with 2 inches of shredded leaves. Keep it a habit, no exposed goo. Check moisture with your hand. If it drips when squeezed, add dry leaves. If it's dusty, add wetter scraps. Place the harvest cup where the ramp drops. Don't fish for larvae, let them self-harvest. In winter, shift to deep litter in the coop. Resume the bin as nights warm in spring. Do this and your chickens eat what your kitchen and garden already produce. The compost still happens. The garden gets richer. The loop tightens. Feed the flies, not the pile. Let chickens harvest, compost happens.